Ito na guys, Honor Win RT. Kakabili ko lang from UKDB Gadgets. So, ito yung lower version ng Win series ni Honor. So, let's just go ahead and unbox natin. Let's see what's inside. Okay, ano yung tsura niya? Kung magkamukha lang sila ni Win. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nakita in person. So, excited din ako. So, yung phone. Kamukha lang halos. Okay, so let's just see what's inside. We have your SIM ejector tool na nandito. We have yung jelly case. Okay, pareho lang kay Win. Meron ka pang pa-voucher, pero magagamit mo sa China lang. You have your cable and your charging brick. You see 100 watts din. Hindi ka tinipid ni Honor, kahit medyo non-pro variant. 100 watts na siya. Yo, so, ito na. Yung ganda na nga ng puti, I like it better than yung black. Kanyang camera setup. Looks good. Solid ang itsura. Yung frames niya is also aluminum metal frame. May camera button pa siya dito. May speaker sa taas. Yan yung SIM tray sa ilalim. I kind of like the design niya. I like the white better than yung black. Nakita ko tong Honor Win RT. So, nasa Win, hindi Win RT. So, pero maganda. Honestly, I like yung itsura. So, abangan niyo guys ang full review natin sa ating YouTube channel. And kung interested kayo, nandiyan lang yung link sa description.